Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sandy Pennamacoor and I'm so glad you could come for dinner. Today I'm going to cook you a really terrific, delicious comfort food dish called creamy Philly pasta. It's really yummy. Come on, let's do it.
For this recipe you'll need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic sliced thin, 1 small onion diced, about a cup, 3 14.5-ounce cans of chicken broth, a 1-pound box of mini penne pasta, 2 cups of cooked diced chicken or turkey if you'd like, 2 cups of broccoli florets, 1 cup of chopped black olives,
6 ounces of cream cheese, Philly cream cheese,
fresh basil for garnish, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of coarsely ground pepper. And this is optional, some grape tomatoes for color.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat our pan. I have a 12-inch covered skillet. It's non-stick, and we're going to heat it up on a medium heat, let it heat up, and then I'm going to add my olive oil. Next, we're going to put in our garlic and just saute it a little bit to release the flavor. Then I'm going to add the onion. Next goes the onion. Okay, our onions are soft. I'm going to just take the pan off the heat and I'm going to add my chicken broth. 3 cans. And 1 more. Now I'm going to put it back on the heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, our chicken broth is boiling now. I'm going to take the top off. And we're going to put our pasta in. The great thing about this dish is that you don't have to cook the pasta first. The pasta will cook right in the chicken broth and make it really rich and delicious. So we put the pasta in, we're going to bring it back to a boil, and then we'll cover it and we'll just turn the heat down and simmer it for about 8 to 10 minutes while we prepare the other ingredients. Here it goes, boiling. We're going to turn the heat down and cover it. Okay, we're back, and our pasta is almost cooked. You can see that a lot of the chicken broth has been absorbed in the chicken broth. And now we're going to add all the other ingredients. And I like to add the cream cheese first so that I can get it right in there and just mix it around. This is what makes this dish so good and so creamy. And by heating it in the microwave for a little bit and softening it up, it dissolves a lot faster. So we're just going to mix that around and get that all nice incorporated. Now we're going to put in the chicken, 2 cups. We're going to put in the broccoli. Oops. And we're going to put in the olives. Gives it a nice little Italian flavor. Mix that all in. And we're just going to cover it up again, and we're going to let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And this dish is wonderful because it's ready in less than 20 minutes. How about that, busy ladies? Okay, putting in our salt and pepper. And you know, this is a minimum amount, so you can add to taste once you get it to the table. Doesn't that look pretty? and wait until we put the tomatoes in. That'll really be nice. Okay, we're just going to let that cook for another few minutes. Cover it up. Okay, we're ready to put our tomatoes in. You can see how bubbly and, bubbly it is, and thick and rich and creamy. We're going to throw our tomatoes in. Just give that a toss and turn it off. The tomatoes will cook immediately. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those colors. Okay, and now we're going to put it in our serving dish and we'll eat. We're going to put some basil on top. Snip some fresh basil leaves. I love the smell of this herb. Nothing like it. That's all we're going to do is just snip some. There we go. Now it's time to eat. Oh, this looks so good, and it smells fantastic. With that creamy sauce, the chicken, the broccoli, the pasta, the olives. We'll just garnish a little bit. Some extra tomatoes. Some fresh basil. Are you ready? Okay, there you have it. It's ready. We'll just add some Parmesan cheese, and we're ready to eat. Thank you very much for coming for dinner today. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. I'm Sandy Pennamacoor. Sit down, manja.